Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use this waterfall cup that Brian from Spontaneous Creations by Brian sent me through Doris at DF Designs, and he named this cup after her. So it's called Doris Waterfall Cup or something. I will put the link to Brian's page into the description box, and I chose Amsterdam Prussian blue, Pebeo Iridescent green blue, Pebeo Iridescent copper, and Valejjo Carantion pink for today's pour. And I will not do a waterfall pour or something. I will just do a normal, like a split cup pour. So I will layer, just a second, I have to put my cups on this side. Okay, I will layer some of this Prussian phthalo here. And Pebeo Iridescent green blue. And Prussian again. And Pebeo. I don't know, I just think that maybe I can get some nice effects, and here I will add this carnation pink first. And copper. And I will kind of sandwich this copper and carnation with blues. So let's see how this will go. And Pebeo. So I quite want a lot of these blues with some details with copper and that carnation pink, kind of. Not kind of, it is, but just hope that I will just leave it like that. Let's start playing with this. I really like that, but I'm afraid that I have way not enough paint, so I will thin my Prussian glue down a little bit and pour it around, and maybe I will even keep some negative space, I will see. So here is a close-up. It has this wintry look, I think, but I like it. There are a lot of beautiful details and lines, and this iridescent green blue will dry really nice. I lost a lot of copper, but I kind of like it is. So this is it for today. Check the description box for the cup and see you on the next one. Bye!